rete whānau o Toy Time. I feel a little tingle in my toes when it's time to dance. All we need are the trumpets. Waka tato, it's Toy Time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching Toy Time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's Toy Time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're all invited. We got Tama Jamal, Wolfie on marimba, and we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuss. Tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on Toy Time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy Time!
Tēnā koutou katoa, and welcome to Toy Time. Ko Maya ahau, and these are my best friends Jojo and Ricky.
Kia ora.
Titiro, can you guess what musical instrument I'm playing? He pūtātara. I, the shell trumpet. A pūtātara makes its sound using your breath, and it drifts all the way up to rangi in the sky.
Oh, how beautiful. Hey, what instrument am I playing?
The drums.
Ngā pahu. Ai, ngā pahu.
Drums make their sound when you hit them. It's the sound of the heartbeats of Papa Tuanuku.
My turn.
He kita hiko.
No, it's an electric guitar.
Ai, kita hiko, the electric guitar.
Oh, cool. Electric guitars make their sound when you play the strings.
There are so many different musical instruments you can play.
Hey, mōhio.
Tēnā koe, Jojo. How can I help today?
What's it called when you play lots of different instruments together at the same time?
When you play lots of instruments together, it's called a band.
A band. Great idea, mōhio. Let's form the Toy Time Band. It's going to be so much fun.
3, 2, 1, hit it!
Whoa, awesome drum set, Jojo.
Thanks, Maya. Oh, love your work on your microphones.
Thanks.
Whoa, Ricky, what's that?
Glad you asked. It's an electric guitar.
What
Time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun.
Can I get a sound check, please? Testing. 1, 2, 3.
You're coming through loud and clear, Maya.
Are you ready, Aotearoa? Thank you, Aotearoa. We are the Toy Time Rockers. Performing today on the drums, we have Jojo. And on the electric guitar, we have Ricky. And I'm the lead singer of the Toy Time Rockers, Maya. Hey! A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
I wanna join a band. I wanna play music with my friends. I wanna join a band. Playing music makes me glad.
Thank you. We'll be signing autographs outside.
Kia ora Come on, cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, we are in the music shop, and we're gonna go and have a look at all the amazing musical instruments. Hoake tātou. Hoot, hoot. Ooh, I love the drums. Let's make a beat. I see some guitars. Let's go! Double bass. Whoa! This is a baby violin for the mice. Clarinet, saxophone. Ooh, I want it all. Look, it's all the guitars, whānau. Oh. Look, these are amazing guitars. You get some chords and you plug them in, you plug them into these. These are called amplifiers. Oh, when you plug them in, that's how it makes your electric guitar go. Come on. Whoa! Oh, call me Buzzhoven. This one's for all my cousins. I really like to sing a new song. When you hear it coming, well, it won't be long before I lift up the energy. I lift up the energy. I lift up the energy. Now tell me if you're feeling me well. We came to party and we came to dance. This is a music stop for all my friends and me. We mash it up, yeah. We get it on, yeah. I'll say it one more time. Ka kite anu. Ka kite.
We're going on a trumpet hunt. We're gonna find a big one. I'm not scared. It's a beautiful day. Oh, look, it's the string section. The wonderful, elegant string section. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. Can't go around it. We've got to go through it. Plink, 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 plink. We're going on a trumpet hunt. We're gonna find a big one. I'm not scared. It's a beautiful day. Look, it's the percussion section. The big beats of the percussion section. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. Can't go around it. We've got to go through it. Boom, 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 boom. We're going on a trumpet hunt. We're gonna find a big one. I'm not scared. It's a beautiful day. Oh, look, it's the woodwind section. With all their fluttering flutes. Can't go over it. Can't go
can't go around it. We've got to go through it.
Oh, wow! I can hear it! Can you? It's got high, brassy notes, like blowing through a special tube. It's golden and bright. It's the trumpet! Karawi.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Rhoda.
Rhoda? Rhoda who?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily, merrily,
merrily, life is but a dream.
Oh, beautiful. Hey, we sounded like an instrument.
Oh, well, your voice is an instrument, Buzz.
Ooh.
Find mine. La 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 la
La la la la la la la la.
la 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 la
La la la la la la la la.
la 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 la
La la la la la la la la.
la la.
Whoa! Your voice can go way higher, Maya. I'm a poet and I know it. Oh, hey, but can you go low, bro? Oh.
Your voice can go way lower than mine, Buzz the Cuz. Hey, I just noticed that you're all dressed up. Are you here for Takaro time?
I sure am. I've got something amazing out in the garden. It's huge, it's fun, it's musical. Want to come play?
Yes, let's get Jojo and Ricky on the way.
Okay.
Did I hear someone say Takaro time?
Tama! Oh, it sure is Takaro time. I'm so glad that you all could make it. Today we'll be playing with my fantastical, magical, outdoor musical machine.
Can we touch it?
Of course you can, Ricky. Here, you can be on the xylophone.
Whoa. Oh, okay.
Ooh, perfect. Tama, you can be on the triangle. Give it a hoon. Oh, music to my ears. And Maya, you can be on the drums. Atahua, atahua. And Jojo, the Guido is all yours.
Oh, great. So what are you going to do, Buzz?
Well, I am the conductor. That means that I wave my baton around while you play the music, and it helps keep everyone in time. Ka pai? Hey, before we start, what is a conductor's favourite fruit?
What?
Banana, banana. Okay, here we go. I'll count you in. Ana tai rua toru fa.
Hey, Buzz, when do we know when to stop?
When I do this. Ah, perfect. Thank you.
Kia ora, my musical tamariki. I'm Auntie Anika and I'm forming the Toy Time Marching Band. All you need are these legs and these arms. Oh, and a noisemaker. You could make a cymbal out of 2 lids. Or a scraper out of a grater and a wooden spoon. That's That sounds so good. Or my favourite of all, a pot and a wooden spoon, which magically turn into a drum when you go like this. Woo woo! Woohoo! Ooh, ooh, yeah!
Kia ora, Auntie Annika. Do you think you could keep the noise down a bit, please? Ricky's trying to have his afternoon nap.
Oh, whoopsie, sorry. Yeah, I can do that.
Thanks, ka kite.
Okay, goodbye, goodbye. When you march, it's important to keep your chest out, your shoulders back, and your chin up. And lift your knees nice and high. Yeah, that's it. Oh, it makes you look so fancy. Okay, now I'm the band leader, so you have to do what I say, okay? Attention! Oh, that's good. Okay, forward march. Ha. We're marching all the time. I'm so good. Yeah. Woo! Okay. Bye, boy.
Bow, chicka, wow, wow. Bow, chicka, wow,
Oh, I'm sorry. I just got a bit lost into the music on my...
Oh, what are you doing, Wolfie?
Oh, air guitar. And the best thing is, you don't even need a guitar. All you need are these and lots of space around you so you can really get into the music.
Oh, I get it. You're playing the ear. Oh, it's so fun, Wolfie.
Hey, today's my guitar lesson. My guitar is red. I'm just picking. I learned some chords. I learned so much.
J, K, A, B, C, D,
My teacher is clever.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
I like playing my red guitar. Bye.
Can you feel me? Come on, everybody, stand up. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, when I'm feeling sad, when I'm feeling blue, I freaking put on my dancing shoes. I stand up and I feel the beat. I put my dancing shoes on my feet. Come on. Woo. Break it down. Can you feel me? Baby, come on. Woo. When I'm lying down, but I want to move, I freaking put on my dancing shoes. I get up and I feel the beat. I put my dancing shoes on my feet. Oh, come on. Woo. Break it down. Can you feel me? If you wanna move your body, don't know what to do, you freaking put on your dancing shoes. You get up, you won't feel the blues. You freaking put on your dancing shoes. Come on. Break it down. Can you feel me? Okay, it's a freestyle time now. Let's dance. I can see you dancing at home. You the bomb.
What's in the box?
Slash case.
Oh, case. That gives me a hint. All right, let's go. Oh, has 4 strings and feels like wood and A long stick. I think I've seen one of these before. Is it a violin?
Aye, it is a violin and bow.
Ooh. How does it work?
Well, you draw the bow across the strings and it makes music.
Oh, can I have a try?
Of course.
Oh. Violins don't sound very good.
I don't think they're meant to sound like that, Ricky. Let's ask Mōhio. Hey, Mōhio,
Yes, Jojo. How can I help?
could you please play us some violin music?
It would be my pleasure.
Why doesn't it sound good when I play, Mōhio?
Playing the violin is a skill, Ricky. Violinists learn from a teacher and they practice every day for years and years to sound that good.
Well, I better get starting right away. Thanks, Mōhio.
Good for you. Ka manawa roa, Ricky. Gotta go. Bye.
Fingers, 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 wave your fingers all around. Fingers, 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 can you make them touch the ground? Fingers, 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 now let's make them make a sound. Can you make your fingers go snap, snap, snap? Hands, 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 wave your hands all around. Hands, 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 can you make them touch the ground? Hands, 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 now let's make them make a sound. Can you make your hands go clap, clap, clap? And can you make your fingers go snap, snap, snap? Knees, 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 wiggle your knees all around. Knees, 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 can you make them touch the ground? Knees, 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 now let's make them make a sound. Can you make your knees go slap, slap, slap? And can you make your hands go clap, clap, clap? And can you make your fingers go snap, snap, snap? Feet, 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 shuffle your feet all around. Feet, 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 let's all jump up off the ground. Feet, 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 now let's make them make a sound. Can you make your feet go tap, tap, tap? And can you make your knees go slap, slap, slap? And can you make your hands go clap, clap, clap? And can you make your fingers go snap, snap, snap?
We have chicks in our class. They're so cute and fluffy. There's one girl chick called Omelette. The rest are boys. They don't have names. They hatched out of their eggs 1 week ago. They've grown really fast. We clean their cage every day. We have to be really careful with them.
Okay, now where do we just put that down? Yeah, like a little bit. Here's one. And can I put that down?
We make it nice and clean and cozy for them.
You put the chicks back in. Wait, no, just wait. We've got to put everything in. No, that's good. And we got to... One just okay. Now we shut that.
The light in the cage helps keep them warm.
Okay, now just a little snack.
They love snack time. They have a special food that helps them grow. They'll go to their new home soon. We love the chicks.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about making chai. In the heart of Kirikiriroa, Nanu gathered Arya and Rohan in the kitchen. Today we're going to make my favorite drink, a strong cup of chai, he announced. Arya and Rohan watched with curiosity as Nanu got out cinnamon, cardamom, and ginger. He simmered them in a hot pot with some tea leaves, and the delicious smell of spices filled the kitchen. Nanu carefully added some milk and sugar. Now, the key is to let it simmer, Nanu explained, and we have to keep an eye on the pot to make sure it doesn't boil over. Arya and Rohan took turns keeping an eye on the pot and helped to carefully stir the chai. It's important to be patient, Nanu explained. Finally, the moment arrived to pour the chai into cups. Nanu, Arya, and Rohan sat around the table and sipped their steaming cups of sweet chai. It's perfect, Nanu, Arya exclaimed. I never knew making chai could be so much fun, Rohan added. They all smiled in the afternoon sun, enjoying their hard-earned cup of chai. What a great story. The end.
Hi, editor, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soe wha